This is a game changer. Graham is going to show you how he uses a grinder to make the job of treating lame cows easier, faster and better.
Using the grinder allows me to do a better quality trim in less time than knives alone.
There seems to be some apprehension from people who haven't used grinders before. What are their concerns, Graham?
That they're going to grind right through the sole. That's the biggie. But if you use the right equipment and you're taking the time to learn and practice the skills, that's not likely.
As Graham said, learning to use a grinder requires hands-on, practical training to ensure the safety of the operator and the cow. Get in touch with your local vet or hoof trimmer for training options. Before any grinding is done, step 1 is to give the first of 3 daily doses of Ketamax to treat the pain and inflammation associated with the lameness and any pain caused during the hoof trimming process. What's step 2, Graham?
I use the grinder to expose the sole, taking 1 to 2 millimeters off with this Dematec soft cutting blade. This is a really fast way to identify lesions. But if you are still in doubt, get the hoof testers out and check. Using the grinder gives you a beautiful, clean, flat surface to work with. It's hard to achieve that with a knife. Step 3. A grinder is great for getting the toe length right. You're aiming for 4 fingers long. Step 4. I use a combination of grinding and knife work to do the more detailed work, such as removing underrun sole or removing the hoof wall when white line disease is blown out at the coronary band. I also use my knives to scallop out the medial aspect of the sole. Step 5. For those axial cracks, I use my rotary tool, simply working my way along the crack.
Trimming the hoof with a grinder. That's great, Graham, thanks. You make it look easy.
With the right equipment and skills, it is easy.
Prompt identification and effective treatment with a trim, block and 3 days of Ketamax are the key principles to achieving better outcomes for lame cows. For more information, visit the Lameness page on the AgriHealth website. And if you don't have one of our Monitor, Manage, Minimise posters up in your shed, just ask your vet. So get in touch with your local vet or hoof trimmer to get some hands-on, practical training with the grinder, and you'll be jumping up and down to get to those lame cows in no time. We're ready for the final step in treating lameness, applying a hoof block.